So welcome to another tutorial of PHP, and in this video we will learn what are comments in PHP with practical. So first of all, let's just see the definition of comments. A comment in PHP code is a line that is not executed as a part of the program. Its only purpose is to be read by someone who is looking at the code or remind yourself of what you did. So basically PHP comments are just simple text that we write in PHP files, and these comments are not executed by PHP interpreter, and we only write comments to understand a specific code, that what this code is doing, or if multiple programmers are working together on a project, it is best practice so they can communicate with each and other while writing the code. So let's just see the example. First of all, here you can see that I have opened my Visual Code Studio, and these were the two files that we were created in our previous lecture. And next I will create a file's name comments.php, and here I will type the opening tag of PHP. So first of all, let me show you the single line comment. How we write this? You have to type // and this is a comment. And next you can also write single line comment by pressing hash, and I will type here this is also a single line comment. And if I declare a variable here, a is equal to like 5, we will learn about variables in the next video. You can think that this is a simple PHP statement. Let me open my XAMPP, and I will only click on this start button Apache because currently we are only working with our server, not database. But when we will work with database, then we need to start this MySQL server as well. And next I need to open my browser, and inside my browser we have to type for localhost / and if I open my XAMPP htdocs folder, here you can see that we were created a learn-php file. So I will type here learn-php and press enter, and it is basically opening the index.php file. But after this we have to type our file name, which is comments.php. Here you can see that it is not showing anything, but if I type here like echo find gap and press semicolon here and refresh my page, you can see that the code that we have write at this position is executed successfully, but this part will never be executed. So next, let's just talk about how we write multi-line comments, because in this case, if you will write anything at this position, PHP will never consider this as a comment. So here the multi-line comments are come in. If I will type here / and star, and then I press here star and / and inside this I can write multi-line comments. So I will type here multi-line comments. Here you can type another line. Here you can see that this is a multi-line comment. But if you are creating comment and you just type here press and * and press enter, now you will see each time when you will press enter, I will type here something, and when I will press enter, it will automatically create this beautiful comment structure for me. So you can use this technique in Visual Code Studio to write multi-line comments. So next, let me show you if you want to comment a specific part of a line in PHP. Suppose I have a statement here like a is equal to 5 plus 3 plus 8, and we have semicolon in the end. And if I press here echo a press semicolon, basically these three values will be added and they will store in our this a variable, and here we are echoing this statement. So let me show you here. You can see that it is displaying me my answer 16. But suppose I want to comment this three part, I can type here like / and here again I can type here star and /. And now in the example you can see that the word 3 has skipped and we only have 5 and 8 here. So here I'm going to teach you a technique. Suppose you have a lot of lines of code, and maybe you and your friend working on a project together, or you are only one who is working on a project. Suppose you can type here like / and to do, and then you can type here the value of a will come from API. Currently it is only static. You can also use two multi-line comments to create this type of comment. And suppose you have a lot of files at this position, and in the end of the project that you want to check that what is pending in your code, you can simply search in Visual Code Studio and you can search here for to do, and here you can see that it is showing me the result a comment. I can only click on this easily and I can navigate here that which part of my application is pending. So one more use of comments in PHP is when you write your PHP programs, you will often see errors in your PHP program. So what we do, we can comment a specific part of our code to see either without this part our program is working fine or not. It is a better technique. Instead you delete a specific line of code and again rewrite that code at this position. You can simply comment that code and easily figure out that what is problem in your code. So friends, this was the concept of comments in PHP. All programming languages provide you techniques to comment the code because it is more important part of programming. Maybe at this position you will think that they are not important, but when you will work on enterprise level application, you will realize that these comments are too much important. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.